Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need to act now. Scrape out any loose soot with a plastic spatula so you don't grind grit. Fill the pan with hot water to cover the burn and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of dish soap. The soap breaks surface tension and softens carbon. Bring it to a gentle simmer on medium for 10 to 15 minutes to loosen residue, then turn off heat and let it cool for about 10 minutes so the softened bits lift without scratching. Once cooled, pour out most of the water and sprinkle baking soda over the burnt areas. Baking soda is mildly abrasive and alkaline, which helps lift carbon. Mix a 1/2 cup of baking soda with a little water to make a spreadable paste, apply it, and scrub using a non-abrasive pad in circular motions so you remove residue without scratching. If spots persist, add the paste, cover with water, and bring to a short boil for 3 to 5 minutes. Then let it cool and scrub again. You're almost done. Thoroughly rinse and dry the pan, then buff with a microfiber cloth to restore shine. If there are rainbow discolorations or streaks, heat a little white vinegar in the pan briefly. Vinegar dissolves mineral films, then wipe and rinse. Make sure to reapply the baking soda paste and repeat the brief boil one more time only if heavy stains persist. If nothing works, don't use steel wool. It can damage the finish. Consider a professional stainless polisher as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.